Gifted on Westies. This song is dedicated to a very special woman who had me at the tender age of 18. I've never had the chance to see you. This is dedicated to you. Thank you. Amma. This is her story. Check it out. Her mind was confused with the plus at the tip of a tube. Sick as she threw up with a cup, take a sip of abuse. So she gets nervous, cause a man left her. After the sex and eject, she thought that he loved her. You see, she's 18, and she's a bit conscious about her dress and a reflection of her own image. Timid in speech, she's limited, given a week, with her tummy blowing up so that people can see. But she decides to keep